wagon leans against stacked hay to graze on hillside by camp. My mom and dad resting there today. The sizzle of the green wood on the fire, the falling snow around the redbud trees, the branches of the laurel by the creek bed, and the rippling waters of the gentle stream. Papa used to talk about the old days when he and Mama first settled there. He spoke about the love of the man that he and Mama shared together there. Now a bright moon is shining in the valley. That old wagon leans against a stack of hay. Two trees on the hillside by camp. My mom and dad resting there today. Now a bright moon is shining in the valley. That old wagon leans against a stack of hay. Two trees on the hillside by camp. My mom and dad resting there today. Yes, my mom and dad resting there.